My name is PGF Petra Nxumalo, and I am the CEO and founder of PGF Petra Educational Center, based in KwaZulu-Natal with our second office in Gauteng. I sit before you not just as a leader in the education sector, but as a parent, as a product of rural village, as a faith believer, and as a South African who believes freedom is not a date in April. Freedom is a daily decision to learn. In 1994, we queued for hours to vote. We chose political freedom. But let me tell you today, freedom must guide you. Freedom guides you against corruption. It guides you to read your child's report card and understand it. It guides you to question a loan contract before you sign your name. That is why PGF Petra Educational Center exists. At PGF Petra Educational Center, we organize retreats that heal the shame of failure. We host events that connect parents, learners, and ordinary South Africans and give them purpose. We run conferences that challenge broken systems. We protect cultural activities so our children know their roots. And we lead innovation research so that we can be able to compete globally. Madiba gave us the vote in 1994. Our job at PGF Petra Educational Center is to give you the skills to use it. When a child writes her name for the first time, that is freedom. When a father starts a business after Abet, that is freedom. When a young woman chooses to learn, not to depend, that is freedom. That is freedom we are building daily. So, this Freedom Day, honor 1994 by doing one thing: learn something new, teach something new. Ask your child today, what did you learn? Because a learning family is a free family. A learning KZN is a free KZN. A learning Gauteng is a free Gauteng. A learning South Africa is a free South Africa. From my desk to your home, from PGF Petra Educational Center to the nation, happy Freedom Day. I am PGF Petra Nxumalo. Let us finish what 1994 started. Siyabonga. Stay blessed.